OnePlus has launched its new Nord series phone globally called OnePlus Nord 4, with all-new metal unibody design, and it also comes with AI features as well. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord 4 features a tall 6.74-inch 1.5K Fluid AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2150 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 732 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 812 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the OnePlus Nord 4 sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony Lite sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5,500 mAh battery, with 100-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on Oxygen OS 14.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.6 by 75 by 8 millimeters, and it weighs around 199.5 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord 4 has been priced in Europe as follows. While in India it is priced as follows. The smartphone will be up for pre-orders in India starting from July 20th to July 30th in Mercurial Silver, Oasis Green, and Obsidian Midnight shades color options. And it is said to go on sale starting from August 2nd. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord 4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.